Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. And against my better judgment, I decided to order one of these Rookies and Stars longevity boxes from Target I think it was when they restocked, because I did not try to obtain any when it initially dropped. Uh, Albeit they do seem to have the advertised number of hits a box. It's very difficult to pull anything numbered, and in the past you used to get, or at least what I remember, for like 2017, 2018, 2019, these were like the, if you want to call it, the secret best retail product that Panini was putting out. And after 2020, they have gone way downhill. That feels, oh no, that's got a relic in it. I can definitely feel that. So, for the price, I was like, what the heck, I'll grab one. I'm not going to go bananas. And the rookies are a little bit thicker stock, if I recall correctly. We got a Matthew Stafford, Will Anderson. Oh, we're going to do that. We're going to flip-flop. Brock Purdy, Nick Chubb, T.J. Hawkinson, Drake London, and our first insert chrome, whatever you want to call it, is going to be a Will Shipley Thrillers insert. And it's got like the red laser pattern. And then behind that, even though he didn't play at all this season, well, in the regular season anyway, a J.J. McCarthy red foil. I believe that's, I don't want to say exclusive, but I think it might be exclusive to the longevity boxes. And then, of course, we got the Drake May. Not sure what parallel or insert this is. RE. I don't see any print on there designating what the name of it is. Enter it while you can. And then our lone rookie of the pack is going to be a Darius Robinson for the Cardinals. Okay, gotta be like that, huh? Oh, and I see we got another. Of course, the one that everybody wants is not Drake, or excuse me, not Jake, JJ. I'll get it out eventually. It's gonna be Jaden Daniels. He's the hot rookie at the moment. Travis Kelce, DK Metcalf, Cortland Sutton, Aaron Rodgers, Adam Thielen, and a Crusade rookie that doesn't look anything like the old Crusade rookies. Leatu Latu for the Colts. Then we got a rookie rush, Bucky Irving. Another one of these. Oh, and there's Jaden. So two rookies, or two quarterbacks out of those. And then we got another rookie of J.J. McCarthy. So we've got his draft class and then his actual base rookie. And we'll sleeve up the Crusade. And it was weird too, because this box took forever to get to me. I actually ordered it in late December. Keenan Allen, Cooper Kupp, Austin Eckler, Brandon Ayuk, Amari Cooper, who's no longer on the Browns. He's actually on the Bills. Ramondre Stevenson. Jeez, another quarterback. Crusade rookie Caleb Williams. not as highly touted or sought after as we got a draft class of Xavier Legette, an Artistry in Motion, Aaron Jones, red foil, and then a Javon Baker rookie. Last three. Kenneth Walker, Dak Prescott. Daniel Jones. He went just as far with the Vikings as he would have with the Giants. Gus Edwards. One and done. DeAndre Hopkins. C.J. Stroud, second year. Oh, and there's our rookie auto. A Jordan Jefferson for the Jags, right? Yep, Jaguars. 109 of 349. So not a very low numbered card and not a very special autograph. Touchdown. Raheem Mostert. A Keon Coleman draft class. And a Troy Franklin. That feels like the relic, I guess. I don't know. I thought it was in the other one, but I was wrong. Isaiah Pacheco, Tyler Lockett, Javonte Williams, Darius Slayton, Bryce Young, who had an impressive second half of the season, Calvin Ridley, an Airborne of Joe Burrow, Artistry in Motion, George Pickens, and a regular Artistry in Motion, Christian, oh no, it's not a regular, it's another red foil, Christian McCaffrey, and then a Bucky Irving rookie. Last pack, last chance for some crazy Jaden Daniels magic. Of course, the big question is, will they win tomorrow? Will they beat Philadelphia? As much as I hate both clubs, being a Giants fan, I'm kind of rooting for Jaden. Rookies and Stars, or excuse me, Stephon Diggs. I don't know why I said that. TJ Watt, Deshaun Watson, Aaron Jones, Kirk Cousins, Christian Kirk for the Jags, and our relic is going to be a rookie, Xavier Worthy, who's probably going to the Super Bowl. Jonathan Brooks, rookie rush red foil. A Marvin Harrison, and then an Audric Estime. I think that's maybe how you pronounce it. So, not a bad last pack. Sleeve up the... Throw that in a sleeve. I don't think that's going to go in a... Yeah, I don't know where I've got... Well, I might have it here. I mean, it probably goes better in a 75 point, but I only have some 100 points right here, so we'll toss it in that. Okay, so I'm going to pause, organize everything, and then we'll do a quick heat recap. Hang tight. Okay, so here's a quick heat recap of this longevity box of Rookies and Stars football. So for rookies, I got the Audric Estime, Bucky Irving, Troy Franklin, Javon Baker, Darius Robinson. Then for the red foil inserts, notable ones anyway, I got the, again, I'm not sure what it's referred to. But anyway, Marvin Harrison, Drake May, and Jaden Daniels. So I got some 2 quarterbacks and pretty solid running back. For Airborne, there's just a one insert for that. They got the Joe Burrow on the red laser. The Thrillers, Will Shipley, rookie for the Eagles. Got the red foil J.J. McCarthy draft class insert. Got two Crusades, both rookies. Got Caleb and Liatu Latu. And got the J.J. McCarthy was the 6th rookie because you basically got one a pack. And I got the Jordan Jefferson autograph, 109 of 349. The Xavier Worthy relic, 297 of 399. Not sure if that's a specific color like red or if that's just the base. They're all numbered to that. Anyway, that concludes this one box of 2024 Panini Rookies and Stars football. So hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.